Alice's Adventures in the World. Yeah, there is a small child who is sleeping. Okay, we all sleep in the night, right? So a small child is also sleeping with her sister, and she has a habit of reading a story. Yes, and she just put her head on her sister's shoulder, and she started a reading story, right? We all see dreams whenever we sleep. You might have seen, yes, whatever we think, we just see in the dreams. Yeah, true. How the dreams are generated, whatever we think in the mind, and those will be converted into the dreams. And here is a child whose name is Alice, and she just slept at the night and started watching a dream of a wonderland. Yeah, what is wonder? Do you know what is wonder? The wonder which you cannot expect. Those are all imaginary things always. So she has entered into a wonderland where she finds a rabbit. Okay, have you seen the rabbit? Yes, rabbit you will find in jungles. We will not find in any other like a normal nature. So rabbit is white in color, and that Alice, a girl whose name is Alice, she just entered into her dream, and what she saw? She saw a rabbit. Yeah, and she just started moving ahead step by step into her dreams. Now what happened? Let's quickly see in the book and in the story. So rabbit had, every time it lives in the hole, that too on the land. Okay, then so that Alice is going behind rabbit to catch him. Now what happens? Rabbit started running fast, and it is saying that, oh my God, if I don't reach on time, so I'll be late. So what shall Alice do? But Alice wanted to see him, and she feels that she is falling on the lawn. What is lawn here? Lawn is a garden which is made up of greenery. Yes, we see gardens outside, so those are the lawns. We don't call them gardens nowadays, so we call them as lawns. So she felt that she is falling in the lawn, and what she did, she even imagined that in the dream that she is entering into the hole of the rabbit. Yes, now she thought that rabbit is running fast, and even she cannot, because Alice is a taller girl and rabbit is very small in size. So rabbit can enter into his home, but Alice cannot, right? So what happens? She just enters and imagines she will see a glass table where a small bottle will be kept. Yeah, and she thinks that if I drink that juice, what will happen now? So she tries that, and she will just pick up that bottle and she just drink that juice. And what she saw, she will become so small. But there is a key on the table wherein which Alice has to open the door to enter and to reach to the rabbit. Yes, you're right. So what happens now is Alice, when she drinks a juice, she not even can lift the key because she is very small and keys will be heavier at that weight. Then she just finds a small piece of cake. Yeah, you might have even eaten cake, a birthday cake, maybe any other occasional cake, right? So you will find the cakes all over outside. So she just had found any piece of cake, and then what happened is she just had a cake and she grew a little. Then first time she was very small because she drank a juice. Now when she had a cake, she grown up a little because she has to lift the key. Yes. Now what she does is she will lift the key and she will just open the curtain, and then she will unlock the door. Like how we unlock the door? Have you ever tried, children, to unlock the door? No? Yes, because you are very small children, you should not try that, okay? So your mama and papa will try, but when you grow up, you will definitely learn that. She just unlocked the key with the door, and then she will open the door to the wonderland. Yeah. You are very small children. You cannot open the door, right? So she will open the door because she has grown up little. And what happened? But she is not able to enter into that hole. Yeah, and she sat down and she started crying a lot. And what happened is, her all tears, when we cry, we get tears, right? Right, children? So all the tears she felt, because she is small, she felt that her tears are making a big swimming pool kind of thing. Yes. And then what happened? Suddenly rabbit appeared again. And then what happened is, the rabbit saw a baby crying, Alice crying and sitting near the door. And he thought, if the Duchess, who are Duchess here? Duchess are the British people. Yeah, like how we stay in India, we are Indians. So the people who stay in Britain, those are called Britishers. Okay, those are called Duchess here. So he thought if the Duchess see a baby crying here, so they will get so much angry. Yes, do you know the expression of angry? Like this. Yeah. So when the baby is crying, he thought that the Duchess will get angry, and then anyhow he wanted to stop her. Then what happened is, he again rushes to the garden door, but she finds the golden keys once more out of reach. Then what happened? She started crying. She sat like that only. She is not able to lift the keys. Now someone else also added in this. The who added is, then when she is crying, she fell into her own swimming pool. Yeah, because she is small, she thought her tears are making huge droplets of the water, and then she fell of her own into the swimming pool. And then splashing. What is splashing? Splashing is nothing but we do a swimming kind of thing in the swimming pool. That is a splashing. We tap our hands, even we tap our legs. So that is called as splashing. So what happens? The mouse who stumbled into the pool lies tactlessly. What is tactlessly, children? Tactlessly is inaccurate, which doesn't have any accuracy. I'll tell you in depth. What is accuracy? So if I measure something, now it is a summer season, you might be switching on your ACs, right? You will be switching on 28 degrees, so that is the accurate measurement. When you drink a glass of water is an accurate measurement. What is inaccurate? When you fill a complete bottle of water into the glass, that is an inaccurate measurement. What happens there? The water will start falling out of the glass. So tactlessly means inaccurate. Inaccurate is where the size and the quantity will not mix and match with each other. So what happens here is, it begins the conversation with her cat Dinah, and the mouse entered here. Mouse is also called as rabbit. The second word of the mouse is what? Rabbit. A rabbit entered here, and rabbit told Alice, what happened? Why are you crying for so long time? So then she replied, no, I am in search of my cat. My cat name is Dinah. What is the cat name? Dinah. Yes. So she is searching a Dinah. And then what happened? The Dinah has become, mouse thought, array, she is searching a Dinah. Then he just speechless, because she was so hurted. She got so much hurted that she is crying even. Mouse even cannot laugh in front of her. So he just made him to calm himself, and he did not murmur anything. And he said, chalo, let's play a game now. In your swimming pool, all the creatures are coming. They are also even swimming. But Alice told, no, I want to live. You just want me to live alone. I don't want to be with other creatures. Like, who will swim in the swimming pool? I'm talking about the aquatic animals, okay? Swimming pool is just made for humans, but aquatic animals, they all creatures. We share the land, we share the water. So you might have seen a big sea, you might have seen big rivers. So there you will find big creatures like crocodile, like fishes, like big snakes, octopus, many other creatures, right? So those are the creatures who even participated in the swimming, right? Then what happened? A mouse suggested that it is a appendage. What is appendage again? A thing which is added. Yeah, because they are filling the swimming pool. Mouse is telling these all creatures have come because they are thinking that they can be added even in the water, right? A thing which is added, the thing which is added is appendage. Appending is in the sense we are adding. Always the term appendage refers to adding something to some other thing. So these creatures have been added into the water. Now what happens? Rabbit appears once more and he says, I was giving you the glass, I was giving you the fan. Okay, when you were very small, you had a piece of cake, you were not able to enter into my house, you were not able to even open the door. Okay, that time I was given, do you remember? Just remember? Then she said, yeah, I remember. And then what happens is, then she said, okay, fine, I'll give you your glass and fans, don't worry. Then what Rabbit says, I want my own gloves. I don't want any other gloves, okay. Then what he says is, you go to home once again and get my gloves and get my fan. So whose house she is going to go again? A mouse house, right? A rabbit house, not mouse house, okay. So she will be again returning to the rabbit house, but how this time? She has to again become small. She has to again go through the same process to get the fan and the gloves, right? But while again she found a bottle of the juice and she again drank the juice and again had the piece of cake to adjust her size, and she started coming out. While she came out of the house, out of the hole, she found a little caterpillar who is sitting on the mushroom. Yeah, she got a smell like this. Yeah, and she smelled, right? Where is the caterpillar? Where is the mushroom? And she went to that. That caterpillar was very having attitude kind of thing. What is attitude? Like the people who cannot respond you properly. Okay? If you ask smoothly, what the person says, no, this is not right. They will never appreciate you. They will never respect you. That is the thing we call it as attitude, little bit higher attitude, okay? And the same kind of irrespective thing was had by the caterpillar. Now caterpillar challenged Alice, you have to repeat something, and what you have to repeat is, you are old, Father Williams. So in strange words, what is strange? Strange is something which you have never seen, okay? Which you have never seen. Have you seen dinosaurs? No, we have just seen imaginary things on the TVs. We actually do not know what were the dinosaurs. So those are the strange creatures for us, right? Have you seen a big bird which is having a lion head and the big fans of feathers? Have you seen such kind of birds? No, it is also a creature. So she repeated strangely. Strange is what? Good, we cannot see. We never seen such kind of thing is strange for us. Okay. Then she even sounded very strange, and the caterpillar disgusted. And he said, okay, chalo, let's go. Let's go and move your work. Done. Then what happens is, she again, but before leaving her, caterpillar gave something to her. What is that? He said, if you eat something, you have to break this mushroom and make two parts. And what you have to do is, you have to put one part in your right hand and another part in your left hand. If you eat from the left hand, you will grow little larger. And if you eat from the mushroom from the right hand, you will be little bit decreasing in the size. Yes, that formula he has given to enter into the mouse home. Now what happened? She comes a little house among the tree. Yeah, that formula she applied. And then she came to the tree, among the tree. And Alice opens a door and finds herself. Herself is her own self. And Coyote, house of Duchess. Duchess again are the Britishers. As I told earlier, she will find herself into their house. And what was happening there, you know? Somebody was cooking. Yes, the cook cooks. Yes, you are right. The cook cooks and he was cooking a soup. And he was adding a pepper powder. Have you seen pepper, children? No. Pepper are the small black balls. If you ask your mama, if you go to your kitchen, you can ask mama, what are peppers, mama? She will be showing you what are peppers. And that pepper powder is little bit spicy. If you take a little smell also, you start sneezing, achoo, like this. So, he started adding all the pepper powder in that, and then everyone started sneezing. Yes, the cook and the Cheshire cat. What is that Cheshire cat? A cat which is never seen. It is a strange cat. Okay, she looks like a dragon kind of thing. Okay, you can search on the Google also. She looks like a dragon kind of thing. You cannot see. It is not a normal cat. Okay, she is different cat and which sits on the hearth green. And then the Duchess told a sneezing people. What happens when they started sneezing? Achoo, achoo, achoo. The Duchess got angry and they hold on the sneezing people. With that, a squalling baby. What is squalling baby? Squalling baby is nothing but a small child which is crying loudly. Yes, you might have seen your small children. You might have having babies in your home, right? So, the squalling childs and babies are nothing but they cry loudly, 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 and they never stop crying. And they even sings a blaring sympathy. Oh my God, this child is crying so much. So what should I do for the child? She picks up and carries out into the fresh air. She takes the baby and chalo, she says, we will go into the fresh air. So you will feel good, right? Whereupon a baby gradually turns into the pig. Oh, everywhere you will find pigs, right? And that baby suddenly, when they came out, it turned into a pig. Yes, it screams out of her arms. What is screams? It jumps out of the arms and darts into the forest. It started running into again forest. Standing bewilderment. What is bewilderment? It is nothing but confusion. Creating confusion in the mind. I'll give an example now. If I will give you 1 cup of cake and I'll give you 1 cup of ice cream. So what will you choose? Maybe you love both the things, a cake and an ice cream. Yes. Now what happens? What happens is bewilderment starts happening in your mind. That is a confused mind because you like both the things, both the food items. So let's go. So that is a confused state of mind. Then Alice sees a grinning Cheshire cat sitting on the tree. I earlier told what is Cheshire cat. A cat is little adventurous cat. It is not like the normal cat. It has a big teeth, sometimes a big tail, sometimes big hair on her body. So that is a strange cat. Sitting on the tree, he is able to appear and disappear at will. So on his own will, because it is an adventurous cat, because it is a magical cat, it was appearing on his own and it was disappearing on his own. What is appearance? Like I am appearing now. If I go, I move ahead, I will disappear. So disappear in the sense you will not see me, right? So that is a kind of disappearance. Then what happens? After exercising the talent, he advises Alice to go to the tea party given by the Mad Hatter. A Mad Hatter is giving a tea party and cat suggests Alice, please will you go to the tea party? Mad Hatter is giving tea party. Chalo, let's go. Then she says okay, and then cat vanishes. What is again vanishes? Vanishes, disappearance are both same. Disappearing is if you are seeing me, if I move out of little bit ahead, like little bit aside, you will not see me. That is a disappearance. Again, what is vanish? What is vanish? If I am keeping something here and suddenly it wipes out, that is again a vanish. That means cat was willing by his own, he was appearing and he was disappearing. Okay, so he vanishes at a time, and then when that too finally disappears, Alice leaves for the party. Then when the cat disappears, Alice says, chalo, let's go to the party now. You all love party, right? Yeah, very good. That is a very social gathering. You have to attend parties. Yes. There Alice has to deal with the strangest people she has never seen. So she goes to the party. What you will do when you go to the party? You will meet new people, right? Yes, you go to the birthday party. You love birthdays. Everyone loves birthdays, right? You may call your friends. You may go to their houses. So you meet new people. Here also, Alice has gone to somebody else's party. Okay, and she meets new people there, where the name of the people are March Hare, Mad Hatter and Sleepy Dormouse. They all are very lazy fellows. What is lazy here? What is lazy? When your mama asks to get a glass of water, what you will do? No mama, I am not in a mood. I will get it later. What is that called? That is a laziness. When you don't listen immediately, when you are willing to go to the kitchen and get glass of water, but you never do that. Okay, that is a kind of laziness. When your teacher gives so much of homework, you know what to write, but what you will do? You even interested in playing. Yes, and what you do? You just ignore the homework and you start playing and you forget doing the homework. Yes, that is a laziness towards homework. So, the thing which you know but you don't want to do, that is a kind of laziness. That is the meaning of laziness. And then they all are lazy. They all are having the dirty dishes kept like that on the table itself. And then a dormouse has fallen asleep there only in the messy house. And what happened? In the teacup, the Mad Hatter tells Alice her hair needs for cutting. She has gone to Mad Hatter's party. And the Mad Hatter is telling, see Alice, I have very big hair. Will you cut my hair? Like this. Then she says, oh later. And March Hare offers her wine. Then he says, oh you are my guest. So how everyone will offer juice? So he will also offer the juice to Alice. Now what happens? Then she says, oh these are all foolish. These are all foolish riddles that have no answer. And what they started, when they gave the juice to Alice, they just started murmuring in the sense, speaking in between, ignoring one person aside, speaking, making another group, and they are speaking in between. So that is a kind of murmuring. And Alice is watching them and she is telling, what is this? They made me to stand aside with the juice and they all are speaking in between. Oh, this is rubbish and this is foolish. She says this is foolish riddle that have no answer. That means their talk has no meaning at all. Whatever they are thinking, they are talking just. There is no meaning for that talk. Okay. Then they ignored her completely. Then they just ignored the Alice completely and they carry a ridiculous conversation among themselves. As I said, there is no meaning for their conversation and she escapes after Dormouse fall asleep. Then they all slept and she even said, now the queen arrives in the garden and she saw the gardener painting the red rose. Okay, and Alice gives an idea to to the gardeners to go and hide behind the teapot. Now Queen saw this and she wanted to give punishment to the gardeners. Okay, what she wanted to do? She wanted to punish the gardeners. Okay, then she said it is a decapitated. What is that punishment? The punishment is called decapitated, that is cutting up of the head from the body. That is called as decap. So that was the punishment kind of thing, and therefore Alice asked them to hide. And they, Queen took Alice to the trial court where everyone were present. Okay, now what happens? The hearing started in the court. What is court? You might have seen the people wearing black coat, a white tie. They are all called as advocates. We have special offices for them where they give the judgments. Yes, they decide who will survive and who will not survive, who will get punishment, who will not get punishment. So such kind of office is called a court. So they will take Alice to the court, and all the animals were replaced in one box, and Alice says she knows nothing of matter and her speech infuriates. Infuriates. What is infuriates? Makes someone extremely angry. She started speaking, Alice, and she started someone extremely angry. Then who was that person? That was the Queen, and who orders that Alice's head to be cut off. Now they are nothing but pack of cards. She wakens from her dream. It was not a real story, because the story name itself of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. So she was, I think if you remember, I told in the first paragraph that she was keeping her head on her sister's shoulder. This is shoulder, and she was reading one book. And while reading, she fall asleep. And then, now suddenly, after the pack of cards, what happens? She immediately awakes and she says, oh my God, this was a dream? Really? Such a long dream? Yes. So we all have authority to see the dreams. Every human being, whatever he thinks, he dreams. So the complete moral of the story is the dreams are authorities of human life. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next